Abbey Glen is a condominium association in Masson, Ohio that houses 98 residents. We know that our residents that move here are looking for a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere, of which we are proud that we're able to provide to them. Also, most homeowners, as they purchase a unit, that is their largest asset in their portfolio, so helping keep the grounds beautiful also helps keep the property values up, and that is one of our biggest goals as the board and as the management company. And we find that Turfscape is able to help us reach that goal for our residents.
Turfscape has been providing service to the residents here at Abbey Glen for about 7 years now. Our services include weekly mowing, bed maintenance, weeds, all the pruning, cleaning up the property during the fall, mulch, the whole 9 yards. We carry that through the winter season with snow removal as well.
Prior to Turfscape, the association worked with a previous landscaping company that just wasn't very great with details. As a property manager, anytime that something goes wrong on their grounds, we are the first to know about it. If there is anything that's out of sorts, they contact us right away. And one of the great things with working with Turfscape is that if you call them and you let them know that there's an issue, they're on the spot. They come out, they take care of it, and we can let the resident know that it's been taken care of in a timely manner, and that satisfies the owners.
So our goals with this property are to make a difference in the residents and the people's life. At the end of the day, when people come home from a hard day, they have a lot going on, I want them to look at their property and their landscape and just feel that sense of pride and relaxation when they walk out on their back deck porch and just know that things are taken care of.
I've had a great relationship with Turfscape. I have always been able to call them right away, and they've always taken care of my problems. They're always very responsive. They're polite to work with. The crews are great. I hear so many great compliments from the unit owners, so it's always a wonderful experience to have that for our community.